Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with Paper Stamp Ink. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, where I share tips, techniques, and tutorials to inspire you in your own paper crafting projects. So today I don't have a tutorial for you. What I've got is a sneak peek of our new Occasions and Celebrations catalog that will be available right after the first of the year. So I can't show you the insides of the catalogs yet, but this gives you a hint of some of the wonderful items that are going to be in there. And what I will be able to show you are the things that I actually have in my hands right now. As demonstrators, we're allowed to pre-order, so that's one of the great benefits about being a demonstrator. If you're interested in information on that, please let me know. So we have the Occasions and the Sale-A-Bration catalog coming out. Now, if you like tips, techniques, and tutorials, take a moment, go ahead and hit that that like button down there, that subscribe button. There we go, having a hard time talking this morning. And go ahead and hit that and tap the bell, and you'll be sure to get notifications of future videos. So if you're not familiar with the Sale-A-Bration period with Stampin' Up, this catalog has all items, the Sale-A-Bration has all items that you can earn for free. So who loves free? I love free. And as a demonstrator, I get to earn them free too with my purchases. So when you purchase $50 before taxes and shipping from the catalog, the Occasions or the annual catalog, after the January 3rd, you will be able to pick items for free. There's items that are at the $50 level, and there's items that are at the $100 level that are even more exclusive. So lots of great stuff coming. Stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot of fun things that are coming out, and I'm going to have some paper shares and some opportunities for you to earn additional free products, so make sure you stay tuned in. This is, I think, going to be one of my favorite sets. I think this is a wonderful set with lots of sentiments. You know, when I first looked at it, I thought, oh, it's a Mother's Day set, but it really isn't. It's for all sorts of women in your life, or you know, anybody that's in your life, because a lot of these are maybe geared towards women, but we have sentiments like, you have truly been a shining example to me. That can apply to so many people. You have what it takes to be unstoppable, and I couldn't be more proud. You know, I think I'm going to use that a lot for cards for my kids, coworkers, friends that are just doing amazing things. This one has 12 different sentiments in it, strong and beautiful. And I think this is one that anybody is going to want in their craft stash. It's got some wonderful fonts in there, you know, great for friends, women in your lives, and kids or men in your lives as well. The other one that I picked up is this Amazing Life. And this is going to be just a fun one. I love the large sentiment in here. And this, so happy to have you in my life. Life's too short to say no to cake. I believe in you. I love affirmation cards, so I think that's wonderful. You are amazing. How many people have somebody in their life that is amazing, and we don't tell them often enough? I want to take a jump back real quick to share with you the Cling stamp set. So Stampin' Up is doing something a little bit different. We've had the what we call the clear stamps, which are the red rubber that mount onto the wood blocks, wood-mounted red rubber stamps, and photopolymer stamps. So going forward, Stampin' Up is transitioning away from the wood mount stamps and the clear stamps and going to what's called cling stamp sets. So these cling stamps are very similar to the current clear stamps. They're red rubber, and they're ones that you are going to use your acrylic blocks to mount on, and I will have a video showing how you do that, because there are some tips and techniques that you want to know to get those mounted properly. But these have a great new surface on that sentiment that allows them to cling to your blocks better than ever before. So they are always looking for new ways to improve the products that they have. All right, I've got to show, this is, I think, going to be one of the hot items in the new catalog. Butterfly Gala. Look at those gorgeous butterflies and at the sentiments that are on there. You've got your pieces here that you can mix and match and do layering. So very easy two-step stamping. They're in the photopolymer. So I love that. Makes it easy to line them up. And there are some great coordinating products with this. I haven't even opened everything up yet. We have this wonderful punch. Look at that. This large and small butterfly punch will allow you to line up perfectly with the stamps in this stamp set. And one more piece that I have is the butterfly paper. And that is actually one of the items that you can earn for free during Sale-A-Bration. It's the Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper. So you purchase any items in those catalogs, $50 or more, before shipping and taxes, and you can get this set for free. I'm going to do a whole other video showcasing all of the paper, so make sure that you stay tuned for that, and I'll open these up and show you more details, but I just wanted to share that. So the other great thing, remember, when you buy the bundle, you save 10%. So this is a bundle, the punch and the stamp set. And I think those are ones you're going to get a lot of use out of. They're very, very versatile. So some of the other things that I got here, oops. So let me show you some of the other free items that I earned for Sale-A-Bration. Part of my story. So this is a great free stamp set, and it has so many fun sentiments. These are great for friends, those, you know, just cards to pick somebody up with and let them know that they inspire you. Let's get together and giggle. The world needs more people like you. Here's to those who inspire us and don't even know it. You're my chosen family. Know that today a friend is thinking of you, and I'm so glad you're a part of my story. So some wonderful sentiments in there that I think you can get use out of all year round. I want to go back. I forgot to share that there's one more bundle. So this got to be one of the more exciting items. So this stamp set is bundled with the dies, and these dies you are going to want to get in your hands, because we've had the circle and the oval and square stitched framelits, and ta-da! Now we have rectangle stitched framelits, and look at all of the different sizes you get in there. These are perfect for matting pieces, for your sentiments. That stitch edge just gives such a beautiful look to your projects with just no work at all. You just run that through your die machine and it looks so much fancier. So these are great. I'm so excited they came out with those. I do a lot of rectangular shapes, and they have bundled those with this Amazing Life stamp set, so you save 10% when you purchase both of them at the same time. And the last free item that I have so far for Sale-A-Bration is this So Happy Together. This one it just makes me smile whenever I see it. It makes me want to giggle. So I just think this little guy's so cute. And I'm going to have a lot of fun making some cards with these, so I'll have lots to share with you guys. These little flies up here, hey, happy for you. I love this little guy with the glasses. And you've got him riding on your unicycle. You can do anything. Isn't that perfect with that? And then this little guy down there just happy, giving you a little wave. So that is one of the items that you can also earn for free. And then I want to just share a real quick glance at some of the papers they've got. So we've got this classic garage paperwork. It's got a lot of masculine images. There's some things in there that would be great for steampunk designs. We've got Gingham Gala. So wonderful spring and summer cards. Great for backgrounds. This is the, let's see, Floral Romance Specialty Designer Series paper. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I love the colors in this suite. They're so soft but bold still in there. And that's the, let's see, All My Love Designer Series paper. And again, I'll be opening up these packs and doing a whole nother video so this doesn't go too long. This one has all these little stitched designs in it. I don't know if you can see that well on the video, but it looks like needlecraft work. So Needlepoint Nook is the name of that one. One that used to be great for birthday parties, for birthday invitations. There is a stamp set that coordinates with these as well. I haven't got it yet. How sweet it is. Designer series paper, but there is a stamp set and dies that coordinate with this as well. And then we've got these really fun, bold patterns. Happiness Blooms Designer Series paper. And it's got all these bold graphic patterns in it. And then beautifully detailed laser cut specialty paper. So if you got any of the laser cut paper before, oops, let's see. Maybe I will go ahead and open this one since I can't even give you a sneak peek. They've got it so well protected with the cardboard there that can't even do a sneak peek. So let's go ahead and open this up. Look at these beautiful detailed die cut pieces, and we've got again the white on one side and a pastel color on the other. So I think these are just gorgeous, and there's different patterns in there. We've got these ones that are smaller pieces that'll be great for layering on card fronts. The large pieces you can use in scrapbooks or for framed artwork as a background, or cut them apart and use them on individual cards as well. So thanks for stopping in. I hope you're as excited about the new products as I am. Remember, you can always check out more information at paperstampinc.stampinup.net or follow me on Facebook at Paperstamp Inc. for more updates. If you'd like to be included in my newsletter distribution, just drop me a note at paperstampinc@gmail.com, and I will be sure to add you onto that distribution. And stay tuned for some fun prizes and giveaways that are going to be coming up, as well as paper shares. You have a great day and keep creating.